Hello everyone, my name is Kriyapat Tanganopat, an electrical engineering student from Kasetsart University. And today I'm going to talk about my project, which is replication of robotic telesurgery using a 5G network, presented to my project advisor, Professor Tirapat Jayanoravis, and my project committee, Professor Washira Chonguri. Okay, let's get started. First, let me give you an introduction about telesurgery. So, what is telesurgery? Telesurgery, also known as remote surgery, is a cutting edge medical procedure where a surgeon performs an operation on a patient from a distant location using advanced communication technologies and robotic systems. This process allows real time control of surgical instruments through high speed data transmission, enabling precise, minimally invasive procedures without the surgeon's physical presence in the operating room. And how did I get my inspiration for this project? Well, I saw it in the news, which was just 3 months ago, 12 June 2024, where it says that a Chinese surgeon performed a remote telesurgery from Rome, Italy, to the patients, which located in Beijing, China, which were 8,000 kilometers apart from each other. And the delay was just 135 milliseconds, which considered pretty low for telesurgery. And I strongly believe that telesurgery will revolutionize how surgeries are conducted. So I'm pretty interested in this topic. And moving on to the next topic, which is when we perform a telesurgery, what do we need? Well, firstly, we need a high-speed networks such as 5G, then robotic arms, of course, to operate the surgery, and a real-time video so the doctor can look at the patients and know what to do. And lastly, latency. Latency is considered a key element to this project. And my objective is to maintain connection between robot arms and controller when they are far apart, then minimize the network latency as much as possible. As you can see here in the figure, the latency are the main latency of the whole operation. It's the network latency. So if we could minimize that, it means that our telesurgery are considered pretty fast and real time. Then after we get everything ready, we're gonna conduct a simple operation using this replication to replicate the real world telesurgery. Okay, then our methodology. Well, we haven't developed much, but this is our process. So we start with understanding servo controls basic because we got to use it to control our robotic arms. And then we tried use the router and ET export to control robot arm in the same LAN. And then our future plan is to use the VPN server as medium to control the robot's arm. And if it works, we're gonna document the latency and try to minimize it. So, taking everything into consideration, this project aims to maintain connection and minimize latency between robot's arm and controller as much as possible, even though these two are extremely far apart. And latency is key for this project since telesurgery require very little latency. And lastly, this project not only could apply in telesurgery but also in other remote control robotics home which need a real-time operation. Thank you so much.